Thank you very much for joining us today. If you could perhaps tell us about the presentation you just did and the Jordanian Future Soldier program. Thank you very much for joining us today. If you could perhaps tell us about the presentation you just did and the Jordanian Future Soldier program.
Actually, we worked on the Jordanian Future Soldier Phase 1. We focused with the user committee, user requirements with the Jordan Armed Forces and Al Jandarma on the physically, of the soldier, and also, the education level to use the items and the systems or the products of the Future Soldier program.
Okay, one of the things you were talking about was was to do with jobs and getting the right soldiers into the right positions, the new recruits. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
I would like to say that, you could start, nowadays, the best soldier, could use the Future Soldier items and program. They are the special forces, special operations, because they are dealing with these missions always, and, they are educated well using these items. Physically, they trained well, so they could use these items very well in the beginning.
So what would you say are the biggest challenges for the program, particularly over the next year to 18 months?
Actually, the most challenge, for me as a program manager for the Jordan Future Soldier program is actually, going to the second phase, selection the best items from the producers, suppliers of the systems, and always also develop the systems what the joint venture companies related to the CADB they are producing.
And where do you see the main focus in soldier modernisation, particularly over the next couple of years or so?
I believe that now the using of other items still it is not actually what I could say added to the Future Soldier items, like the ready meals, using by the soldiers. Also, support them by the UGVs, the robot multi-purpose platform robots, and also the UAVs.
What has been the greatest success in the program so far?
The greatest success, that's, actually we specify the right soldier physically and by education level, could fit with using the items of the Future Soldier. This is the main actually, and actually also going with the right user requirements from the right user committee.
Smaller suppliers are often the ones bringing the real innovation to the soldier. What are the three new technologies that you've seen this year that most interest you?
Actually, now the focus it is in the communication, the situation awareness, and how to deal with each others and with the other levels, of the platoon and the vehicles. I believe that, this system, it is the main system we are focusing now, to have it, for the soldiers to be used. Also, as I focused and said, the other, what I could say, supported vehicles could support, the Future Soldier, like the UAVs and UGVs.
And if I can just ask finally about the next phases, when we're likely to see them roll out for your program.
My focus as a program manager actually to have the Future Soldier second phase exhibited in SOFIC Special Operation Exhibition next year in Jordan.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for speaking with us today, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the organizer here, and thank you for everyone.